Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat. You want to say hi, Miss Cali Cat? Say hi. Say hi. That's all you got? Alright y'all, so I just tried on a bunch of clothes on. I got a little hot. I thought that this would be the perfect time to tell you about a product that I just bought. Yes, I fell for the viral hype and I went ahead and bought this product. I got it off of Amazon. Yeah. This is the Revlon Oil Absorbing Volcanic Face Roller Reusable Facial Skincare Tool for at home or on the go mini massage. This is supposed to take the oil off your face, the sweat off your face, whatever, throughout the day. It's kind of like a day refresh. I don't know about that, but everybody has been talking about it, so I thought, well, why not? It was $6.99. I will put a link below if you do want to try it. It's an affiliate link. It will give me, like, it's possible it could give me a little bit of a commission. I don't know. Some things do, some things don't. I do appreciate it if you use my links. So this is what the thing looks like. Little bitty thing. Little bitty ball on there. And we're going to get up close and personal. Can y'all see how shiny I am? And I dropped it. Let's see. I need a mirror for this. I need a mirror. Yeah. All right. And you can do this over the top of your makeup. Okay, it's actually doing something, y'all. It's actually doing something. I'm only doing half so you can see. Can y'all see the difference? Is it just me? Does this thing really work? Yes, I did get lipstick on it, but it does come apart and you can wash it. But yeah, I mean, wow. Okay. I see why everybody's talking about it. It does take it off. So y'all, go get one. Stick it in your purse. When you feel yourself getting a little too oily shiny, grab this thing, roll it around your face. You're good to go. All right, y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.